Yes, sir. It's me, the rapper eater. Ha! Feed me, feed me, feed me. No homo. Yeah. One time for me, one time for the DJ. He be Cali, I be Louise. Baby, if you ask me if you're nasty, creative, gifted bastard, spit sporadic. I'm so diplomatic, democratic. Touch it, bring it, push it, systematic. Damn right, I kiss my daddy. I think they pissed at how rich my daddy is. And I'm his kid, I stunt with my daddy. Call Miss Lee, she with my daddy. So diss me and gon' diss my daddy. Cause who was there when no one wasn't just my daddy? Who was there when I needed money? Just my daddy. So who be there when I see the money? Just my daddy. Who said that I'll be the one? Just my daddy. Hello hip hop, I'm home, it's your daddy. When I say these, I don't mean the caddy. I mean these nuts, acorns and Cali. Rick Ross tip, stunning Fat Joe. And I can't forget Briscoe. And yeah, I just squash the bullshit with so. It's a bakery here, just trying to get dough. Shout to my dreads, my H is a cheat code. You're looking for me, ho, I'm in the 305. I'm the best rapper alive. Homeboy got a mind that I'm at when we find. Homeboy got a nine that I caught when we find. But I could get to it even if I was blind. Like a scary movie, they screaming when I rhyme. I'm a king, you can ask Steven if I'm lying. I'm a prince, too demanding like my mom. Too bold, too cold like West Salam. Me, it's all about me. If the girl got a voice, then she tell about me. He say, she say, I say me. We'll be in the MIA, me with me and T and Big Ronnie in the homie streets, probably somewhere on the beach. And Taz and E, probably somewhere in the Jeep. And all in the phantom with Mr. G. And me, it's all about me. Play with me and it's all out beef. Beef, yes, chest, feet, tag, bag, blood, sheets, yikes, yeeks, great, sky, storch. Can I borrow your yacht? Watch me and my clique go all out. Like the ball in the stands, we balls out. Boy, I don't know what y'all about, but I just spit like a dog mouth. Pink ice just looking like a hog mouth.